Correctly knowing how to practice your walking meditation is one of the essentials to help you integrate mindfulness into your daily life. Welcome back to the Inner Mind Institute. My name is Master Niels, and today I will explain how to practice walking meditation step by step. Before you start to walk mindfully, you can stand still while closing your eyes. Let your arms hang loosely aside your body and connect with your breath. Feel your breath on the inside of your nostrils and breathe in and out. Simultaneously, you can focus on your foot soles touching the ground. So now that you're having two focus points, your breath and your foot soles, you can fold your hands together in front of you or at the back, and gently you can open your eyes. Open them halfway. Look where you're going to walk to, and slowly you start to walk as if you're walking in slow motion. You start with your left foot and continue walking. Right, left, right, left. At the end, you turn around, slowly. Left, right, left, right. You can play with your pace. And then at the end, you turn around again. Keep focusing on your breath and on your foot soles touching the ground. At the end, you slowly turn around again. You end with your right foot and put your left foot next to it. Open your right foot a quarter turn. Place your left foot next to it. Open your right foot again and continue walking. When the mind or body is restless, or you are disturbed by a lot of thoughts or even emotions, allow yourself to stand still, close your eyes, unfold your hands, and start to breathe more deeply. Calming the mind and body. This technique we call B2. You even can use B1, the short, powerful in and out breath, quickly and strongly, to let go of your difficulties and problem points. When the mind and body is calm again, you can open your eyes and slowly start to continue walking. You can continue your practice for around 30 minutes. And feel free to continue with sitting meditation. Keep practicing and stay mindful. And I hope to see you during our next session.